Claw has launched the Stag Retro Vinyl Record Player, a portable turntable that combines a vintage look with modern features. It is designed for people who want to enjoy vinyl records and also having the convenience of Bluetooth streaming and USB recording. The Stag Retro is like a compact suitcase, making it easy to carry and store. The casing is light but sturdy, protecting the player and record while giving it a classic style. It is placed at home, carried to a picnic and used at small gatherings. It has twin 5-watt stereo speakers. The sound is designed to be crisp, clear, and powerful enough to fill a room. Music can be directly played on the vinyl record or streamed from devices using Bluetooth. It supports three vinyl speeds 33 by 1 by 3, 45 and 78 RPM. This allows users to play LPs and older singles and shellac records. Switching between speeds is simple and does not require any technical setup. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3 for stable wireless streaming. It also includes USB recording feature that lets users convert vinyl tracks into MP3 format. A USB stick of 32 GB in FAT32 format can be used for recording. Bluetooth does not work while recording and USB should be removed only after the player is plugged off. The control panel includes button to change track, pause, play, switch between Bluetooth, USB and aux. For private listening, it has 3.5 headphone jack. It's available in grey and black for 7,990. It can be purchased on originshop.co.in and amazon.in. Currently, the Claw Stag Retro Vinyl Record Player is selling as low as 5,490 rupees.